All right, guys, we have a beautiful start out there this morning. It is cold. Here's a live look from our sky view up in Hampton along the peninsula. Some nice colors out there. The sun officially comes up at 6:26 this morning, and we will see lots of it out there, although you're going to have to bundle up because temperatures are cold. That's the reading at the airport. Always runs a little bit higher. 38 there right now, but you head inland just a few miles, and you're down into the 20s, even some mid-20s in Franklin, over to Ahoskie, 36 now in Newport News. You head out to the ocean front, you're at 35 at freezing, though, in Hampton to Portsmouth, 30 in Williamsburg, 25 now in Gatesville, and 33 in Elizabeth City. So tranquil weather to wrap up the rest of the work week. Today, tomorrow, sunny, yet cool, but into the weekend, the unsettled weather does return. Our clouds increase during the day Saturday. Rain breaks out on Sunday, and with cold air trying really hard to work on into the system, it looks more, though, of a wet scenario than a white one for us. Can't rule out totally this ending as a brief wintry mix to the north and west later in the day, later in the night on Sunday and early Monday, but mostly just a cold rain for us Sunday into Monday for most of Hampton roads. Satellite imagery this morning. It is quiet out there. High pressure controlling of almost all the area east of the Mississippi. The only real feature on the map is that nor'easter still bringing snow to parts of Maine, Vermont, and New Hampshire, as well as Massachusetts, but it'll be exiting into the Canadian Maritime soon. Here's how it looks here across the day today. Sunny skies, temperatures into the mid to upper 40s, still well below average. A few fair weather clouds later on today, and even this particular model wants to spit out an isolated shower, so it'll put about a 15 to 20% chance on somebody seeing a sprinkle today. Overnight tonight, it is clear, it is blustery, and it's going to get cold as well, down into the low 30s, upper 20s by tomorrow morning. And with that breeze up, we'll have wind chills down in the low 20s by early Friday morning. And through the day on Friday, we maybe top out a degree or two warmer than where we'll be today, around 50, low 50s tomorrow, but it will be breezy too, with those winds sustained at 10 to 20 miles per hour, some higher gusts too, and then the clouds begin to build on in. Let's talk about two separate model solutions here for what's going to happen later in the weekend. First, we'll start out with the European, which has a little more fast-paced development of this storm, and it moves quickly out to sea, not really blossoming into a very potent coastal storm. Does bring us, though, some rain on Sunday on into Monday. The GFS, however, does develop a much more potent coastal low, and in turn drawing down some colder air, catching up with the system through at least central Virginia with a wintry scenario there. How far south and east that cold air makes it, still yet to be determined, so I can't rule out maybe a little bit of some wintry mix in our far western and inland zones during the night Sunday into early Monday, but right now looks predominantly a cold rain. 50 degrees today, breezy and cool, partly cloudy skies. Those winds picking up tonight, gusts up to 25, so that 30 feeling more like the lower 20s out there under clear skies. And there's your weekend outlook. 53 on Saturday, increasing those clouds, maybe an isolated shower, but more widespread chances of that rain on Sunday, and then possibly ending as a brief wintry mix inland on the day Monday. 43 for your high on that day, then sunny and dry Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, let's get to Aisha.